Hey there, YouTube. Right in front of us is an old antique truck. Yeah, we just got my mom her birthday present. And this one is stinking from the exhaust pipe, probably diesel.
I don't think it's diesel. It don't sound like a diesel.
Probably I don't know then.
Like burning oil. Probably an oil burner or something. Might be a diesel in front of them. Who the hell knows?
I don't even want to know what brand that is.
I don't know. I can't tell you. Can't get around it because there's too many people on the road.
Yeah.
Looks like Chevy. It could be a Ford. The Chevy's usually on the driver's side. Could be Ford. I don't know. It could be a Chevy. It could be 40s. It's turning, so. Ford.
It's a Ford, YouTube. It's a 50s. Where YouTube?
52 or 51.
Where YouTube?
Could be a 48. Could be a 49.
It had to be a 149-ish.
It's either 49. It's either 48 to 52.
With YouTube, I better get going. See you later. Bye.